We are not just cleaning, we are creating change. Hey everyone, welcome back to Project Nature. Today's another step forward, another day where we fight for a cleaner future. I was out again picking up trash, and yeah, it's not always easy, but every time I look at this community I'm reminded we are in this together. It's not just my project anymore, it's ours. And if we stay consistent, support each other and keep spreading the message, we can do this. We will reach that 10,000 followers goal. We will inspire change. So if you believe in this mission, drop a follow, leave a comment, and let's keep pushing.